One of them's smelling bad.
I can smell something.
The amp's not going to protect. Right?
What's up, YouTubulous? Another massive ass sound system coming your way. This thing was no joke. 16 bass amps on a bunch of North Stars. Now that was probably a headache. All bussed together nice and neatly with some homemade bars and lots of extra short runs to keep those amps up booming. The doors were no joke as well. Laced up with 15 speakers per side, the amplifiers were even mounted in the doors. Now there's some fitment for ya, huh? Shit, it's hard enough fitting just speakers in there, so huge props on that, Ryan. It looks great. Moving on over to the subs, everything is just as impressive. 16 Planet Audio woofers, inverted, looking all sexy, and banging on a budget for all our bass heads. There's nothing better than experiencing a huge system like this, and the excitement never goes away when you hear somebody say,
"Want to hear it?"
Yeah.
I got one sub that's already just fucked. I got kind of excited before I tuned it and turned it up.
Oh, you did? I know that can be too.
Killed it all. Subs aren't working.
Really?
Yep.
So you have a single amp per sub, right?
Yep.
Wow.
What?
Killing it.
You want some more ice? That one sub is fucked, and then 2 amps are going to protect. I think that the sub that's fucked, the amp's not going to protect. Right?
What the?
Thanks.
Figures. Dude, those subs are getting down.
Let me see. Feel it. One of them's smelling bad.
I can smell something. But I couldn't tell if it was a healthy epoxy resin or if it was like a
something real
coil.
bad. See, they're not even warm. It's got to be one sub that's just.
Your luck, it's gonna be that back corner one or something.
It's that one back one's already just fucked.
appreciate you jamming it like that, dude. That's fucking awesome. What's your name?
Brian.
That's awesome, dude. That would make a killer video. Alright, we got Kevin coming in strong here. Got his nice signed up amp here, pumping some serious power. Door hammers on there?
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, those things are pushing some air. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, the tornadoes. I have those on my PC.
We're both wearing a half. 4 gauge the sub. XSB2.
Holy shit. Got some pretty hellacious pillars here too.
That's my second time building.
Wow. You kidding me? What? That looks like you've done it like a million times, man. Shit.
Get that. Bump another. In the
Dude, I love it. That's fucking awesome. One of my favorites of all today.
It doesn't stop. It just keeps playing.
Yeah? My favorite so far today. Holy smokes, YouTube, let's talk about another dynamic duo coming over there from Slamology just earlier this year. I had such a great time hanging out with all our basshead buddies, capturing some of the biggest sound systems I've ever seen. So be sure to stay and look out for even more footage to come, and be safe out there this Black Friday. I don't want anybody getting trampled. So stick to the online sales with our buddies over there at Droppin Hertz Car Audio, courtesy of our EXO coupon code to save you even more money. Thanks for watching these videos, slapping a good old thumbs up. There's lots more in the works here with Frankenstein, with my personal move, with all sorts of project guys. So stay tuned. I will talk to you on the next one.